Hello guys, welcome back to Indian Coinage channel. Today we discuss about first two new rupee symbol coin. In this video I share about rare and exciting information of this coin, and only few collectors know this kind of coins. Definitely I tell, after watching this full video, if you tend to see this coin again, perception about this coin will differ. Yeah, come to history. This model was released in 2011 and continuously printed in 2019. The metal composition of the coin was stainless steel and weight was 6 grams. This is the first 2 rupees model having the new rupee symbol. In the below 8 category, lot of buyers are eagerly searching this kind of sets. So just to divide the collection in this format: Mule coins, OMS coins, error coin, experimental coin, UNC and proof set coins, rare year or mint, complete year set, and finally diversity. The first 7 category is not easy to collect or to spend more money to collect those kind of sets. But diversity is collectible without spending money. Just you get some knowledge about the coins means you collect it easily. First we see one example. 25 pice and below denomination like 1 pice, 2 pice, 3 pice, 5 pice, 10 pice, 20 pice and 25 pice. All sets were withdrawn by Indian government on 13th June 2011. This kind of coin sells at various platforms like online and coin exhibition. In coin exhibition, this kind of set sells at just a minimum 5 rupees to maximum 50 rupees. If you agree this, previously you go to coin exhibition, there you get the actual price, but you sell with some combination to split the coin and to sell at more than 1000 rupees easily. How it is possible? Yes, if you split in diversity, you definitely get this amount. Just see the image. In the image of 3 pies, two variations are displayed. On seeing this, both coin may look like same. In reverse side of the coin, year is 1968 and mint mark is diamond mark, which means this coin is printed in Mumbai. But observe our front side of the coin, see the Ashoka emblem. The first Ashoka emblem seems bigger than second coin. First coin on right side between lion and letter India having nice gap as compared to second coin. Just see the arrow mark. One basic thing in diversity coin is same year and same mint. It is very important, so notified the detail. These two types of coin sells at a high price, and the proof is there. Estimated price of the coin is 1000 rupees to 1200 rupees. The product is now sold out. You can see it below. These kind of coins were sells at famous auction websites like Bombay Auction. This 2 rupee model also contain diversity. First take the reverse side. Both the coin having year 2017 and star mint mark. The first 2 rupee having thin new rupee symbol in reverse side of the coin, but in second 2 rupee coin having thick new rupee symbol on the reverse side. Just see the arrow. Then in observe side, Ashoka emblem on center with the 2 years are raised up in first coin. Right side Ashoka emblem and India in English letter gap looks high as compared to second coin, and the space between Satyamay Dayante and Ashoka emblem is also high compared to the second coin. Just see the arrow. One specialization of this coin having two different edges. One is kneaded earth or milled earth, and another one is smooth earth or plain earth. Both the earth image are given. Having a good look at zooming image. In this image, both coin having 2012 Calcutta mint mark. That means the coin has no mint mark, but both year seems to be different. The first 2012 is bigger than second. Zooming image and arrow mark shows the difference of both the coin. You can easily collect this kind of sets because these kinds of sets are now in circulation, so every coin collector may collect 1 or 2 sets in each model. Kindly don't ask the price of the coins. Because circulation coins buy and sell is offense in India, I am making this video out of awareness, because the interesting collector can collect one or two coins in case of diversity only. If you learn more information about this coin through this video, means just support and subscribe our Indian Coin channel. Don't forget to like and share. Thanks guys.